Everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the Swiss Army pocket knife. So my brother got one of these as a present and he really enjoyed it. And then he got me one for my birthday and I love it. I'm just going to do a quick run through of all the gidgets and gadgets. So we're going to start on this side. You've got beer openers along with screwdrivers. Ta-da! Let me just close those. Alright, and remember folks, when using these, be careful. We don't want to lose any fingers. Alright, so this one, be extra careful with your fingers. It's a knife. Be extra careful with your fingers. Beautiful. Now we have got our nail file and that little grind digger that gets under your fingernails, especially helpful from playing in the mud. We have got our scissors. Ta-da! Scissors. Yeah, that's everything on here. Then on this side, we have got wine opener. I do not drink wine, in case any of you are wondering. Quite too young, and I don't like it. We've got our tweezers. And don't ask me why you need this out in the wild. A toothpick. That is all the gidgets and gadgets on my knife. A little bit of added fun. This is called an S-beaner, and as you can see, mine, when you tilt it in the sunlight, turns into like different colors. Super fun. So what you do is you should have like a little rung here on your knife. You take this, you plug it on, and then boom. This one has got a lock so that like you can lock it and then it won't go. Just something fun to play around with. See ya, bye.